If you want to block someone on Skyscanner, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your experience on the platform remains positive and secure. Step 1. Open the Skyscanner app or website. Launch the Skyscanner app on your mobile device or visit the Skyscanner website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Look for your profile icon or account settings, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account options. Step 3. Access Privacy or Blocked Users section. Within your account settings, search for a section related to privacy or blocked users. This area will allow you to manage your interactions with other users. Step 4. Add the user to your block list. Once you find the blocked users section, enter the username or email address of the person you wish to block. Confirm your action to add them to your block list. Step 5. Save changes and exit. After blocking the user, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the settings and continue using Skyscanner without the unwanted interactions. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your connections on Skyscanner and enhance your overall experience.